everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into LBank account. For that, first of all, you have to launch LBank application on your device. Then on the home page, you will see this interface. Here, tap on login or register option available there. Now, you just have to fill out this form to log into your account. You have two options. You can either log in through email or phone number. If you want to log in through email, then you just have to enter your email address and password. And if you want to log in through phone number, then you just have to enter your mobile number and then your password. For now, I am logging in through email address option. First of all, enter your registered email address. Then enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then simply tap on Forgot Password option available there. If you are a new user, then you have to enter the invitation code. Then at last, tap on Login or Register option to log into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.